Now let's do the next question. In the next question we have diagonals of a parallelogram, they are equal, and we need to show that the parallelogram is a rectangle, right? So here ABCD is our parallelogram, right? And we are given that the diagonals, that is AC and BD, they are equal to each other. So to show, we need to show that ABCD is a rectangle, right? And we are given that AC is equal to BD. The length of both the diagonals, they are equal to each other. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to talk about triangles DAB and triangles CAB, right? So in triangles DAB and triangle CAB, what do I have? I have AC is equal to BC. This is AC is equal to DB because the diagonal is DB, right, and this diagonal is AC. So we have AC is equal to DB. AC is equal to DB, that is given to us, right? Now the first condition that is given to us is AC is equal to DB, right? That is the diagonals, they are equal to each other. The next condition is that AB is equal to AB, right? AB is the common side of triangle DAB and CAB. So it is the common side and hence it is equal for both the triangles. So I have two sides that are equal to each other. Now that I know that ABCD is a parallelogram, right? ABCD is a parallelogram, so I can say that AB is parallel to DC. Because AB is parallel to DC, right, and DB is nothing but a transversal. So I can write that this angle should be equal to this angle, right, and similarly this angle should be equal to this angle, right? But that is of no use here because we just need to show that the two triangles, they are congruent to each other, right? What we can further say about the two triangles is that because it is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram opposite sides, they are equal to each other. So I can write AD is equal to BC, right? AD is this side and BC is this side. They are opposite sides of a parallelogram and they are equal to each other. So I have all the three sides of the triangle equal to each other. So this is nothing but SSS, that is side 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 congruence rule. So I can write triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA, right? Triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA. Now what I can conclude from this is, and these two triangles, they are congruent by SSS congruence rule, right? Now because the two triangles, they are congruent, all the angles of one triangle, they would be equal to the angles of another triangle, right? So I can write angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. This comes from CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. I have these two angles equal to each other, this angle and this angle, both the angles, they are equal to each other, right? Now I know that AD and BC, they are parallel because this whole is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, so AD is parallel to BC, right? And angle A and angle B, they are co-interior angles, and because these two are parallel lines, so sum of co-interior angles has to be 180 degree. So angle DAB plus angle CBA should be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are co-interior. They are co-interior angles, right? Now because these two angles are equal, so I can write angle DAB for angle CBA. So this becomes DAB plus angle DAB, because both are equal, is equal to 180 degree, right? This becomes twice of DAB is equal to 180. So this solves out to be angle DAB is equal to 90 degree, right? Angle DAB is equal to 90 degree and angle CBA is also equal to 90 degree. So we have a parallelogram ABCD in which one angle is equal to 90 degree. So this is nothing but the definition of a rectangle, that is, it is a parallelogram with one angle equal to 90 degree. So ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is rectangle, right? And hence proved.